What makes Kids Club special?
The teachers are they're just really encouraging and engaging, and they want to be with everybody, and they make sure everybody is safe and happy. Like if there's a kid that's having a bad day or has been upset, they'll do their best and put in their best effort to just try to make the day special.
They do a lot of stuff. Really, it's just a mystery. Each day there's something new that most kids don't get to do.
I like Kids Klub because it's really fun. Like everything in Kids Klub is just so fun. I just can't stop going here. It's amazing.
Well, as I have told my colleagues across the state, if North Platte, our North Platte Kids Club isn't the best after-school program in the state, it's one of the best. And so Carrie Linneman, she has about 50 people that she employs. 14 of those are high school students that we, I think, bring a lot of skill set to that program, a lot of activities that they provide our kids. We serve about 400 elementary students across the district through our 7 elementaries, and then about 200 during our summer school program. So, this is such a benefit to the community of North Platte and certainly North Platte Public Schools. We're very proud of our Kids Club program.
I'm Carrie Linneman, and I am the director of North Platte Public Schools Kids Club After School and Summer Program. And just some background about us, we have been in the district 25 years. We have served kids who now work for us, and we're learning through some of those students who work for us now that they would rather see programming that is less academic focused. And they're giving us lots of great feedback on the things that they would like to do and had wished they had gotten to do while they attended Kids Club. So we utilize their talent and we ask them, what is it you would like to see us doing? And now that you work for us, what is it that you would like to be delivering for content? And they're really great at telling us, I wish I had done robotics and I'm really good at that and I would like to share my talent with the program.
In Summer Kids Club, I got to we get to learn math, we get to do fun things in science, grow little plants with fishies that eat the roots. And then we do tech. We got to go to Omaha and watch the Nutcracker.
Beyond School Bells has been great at funding some of those ideas for us. And along with our 21st Century Federal Grant, we kind of braid those dollars to make sure that we are delivering things to our kids that they're interested in. Our high school staff runs an advisory board with our students who attend the program, and we get input from them. We run clubs, so we have, we have technology club, we have art club, we have STEM clubs, cooking, science, anything that our kids ask for and like to do after school, we try to deliver that. Sometimes that is braided in with using our community partners. They're great with us. We work with about 32 different community partners, and they offer all kinds of things for our kiddos. We have therapy dogs come in. So our therapy dogs are run by a local teacher that we have in our district. She offered one time a few years ago to come in and bring the dogs. It was good for the dogs and thought it'd be good for our kiddos. And here we are 5 years later, and that program has grown to be something really incredible for both the handlers, our students, and I guess the dogs too. They really do love it. They look forward to their visit, and it does what it says right in the name. The therapy dogs give our kids a little bit of social emotional support, and our staff love it. So it's just a really great partnership that we're really proud of. We do marathon kids with Trudy Merritt and West Central District Health, and All of our summer students get swim lessons, and we, do pool passes. And we have the extension that comes in, and they do healthy lifestyles and cooking and teaching our kids how to make better choices about things that affect their health overall, when it comes to their food choices, when it comes to their physical fitness. And they make it fun. And so we're very, very proud and thankful that they come in and do those things with our students.
We do marathons most of the time. Like Miss Shirley just comes and we run. Yeah. It's part of the marathon kids thing. We're doing it almost every single year.
We've partnered with Kids Club for many years with a summer program that involves physical activity for kids. We train the kids through their summer program, and then the kids complete a 5K. During the school year, we offer what's called Marathon Kids, and that's a public health program that comes from the University of Texas to us through the University of Nebraska. So it's a program designed to get kids up and moving, and also to build the character traits necessary to be an athlete of character. Kids Club is probably one of the strongest programs in terms of its alignment with the values of the things that we do. Kids come first, and their physical health and well-being, their mental health and well-being, their social health and well-being are vital to both Kids Club and to us, and so they are like a perfect partner for us to administer this program.
So Marathon Kids, that I like about is exercising and getting medals and running for your teams and running with your friends, and you can say that they are doing a great job and you believe in them. And what is the most fun is like your friends are getting the exercise ready, and they can have muscles, and they're super strong, and it matters to be super strong.
All of our high school students are the ones who are in the water. They're doing lessons right alongside of them. They're running with them during Marathon Kids. They're doing Lego Club. They're doing Technology Club. So really, truly, without our high school students, we would not be the program that we are.
My favorite Kids Club teacher is Miss Page, because she helps me when I'm trying to do hard things.
I really like how she interacts with us and talks to us about class and how we're learning with stuff, and helps us with homework and stuff.
Right now, Miss Page just played with us in the rubber band section.
My name is Paige Suri, and I'm a junior at North Platte High School. I love working for Kids Club because I get to make genuine relationships with these kids and see the impact I truly have on them. They also have a great impact on me and give me something to look forward to every day. It's a great job for high schoolers because it has great hours right after school, and you get to bond with these kids.
Mr. Isaiah, probably because he plays soccer with us outside and does activities with us inside.
My name is Isaiah Henderson. I go to North Platte Public High School. I'm a senior and I work at Kids Club. I like Kids Club because you get to have a relationship with all the different other kids and really have a bond with every single one by yourself. And it's just kind of a place where they get to cool off after school, like eat snack, talk with their friends, do homework, play outside, just really anything that they really want to do. We get to do different activities too, like we make snowballs and snowball fight and everything. And we make crafts, we color, really anything that kids like to do.
Mr. Jack, because he made me, because Mr. Jack helps me. So he helped me today, but I asked him, can we go up to the basketball hoop and I can make a score, but I didn't make it, but it was fun.
Yeah, so I started working at Kids Club right after I graduated high school when I was 18. And I really wasn't planning on being a teacher. I was just kind of doing it as like a quick summer gig because we do this in the summers too. So started off as just a summer job. I was going to college at Mid-Plains, the community college here. I had no idea what I wanted to do with my career. I was thinking about being an electrician or joining the trades or something like that. After working at Kids Club, I just really fell in love with the whole program, fell in love with teaching in general. Quickly decided I changed my major to elementary ed. And so I did that for 2 years. Shortly after, I became the coordinator here last year at Washington. So that's been a blast. I've loved it ever since. And the school's offered me scholarships to continue my education at Shadron's.
Miss Knight, she's really nice and she gives us candy. She helps, like, if we don't understand something, she helps.
Miss Knight, she's funny and she's really funny and she lets us have a lot of candy.
Hi, I'm Nylan Ho. I'm a sophomore at North Platte High School and I do work at Kids Club. This is my first year. I started in August when I turned 16. And one thing I love about Kids Club is the kids and just the atmosphere of everything going on and just seeing the kids every day and seeing how their future can become good. I like working with the district because it's good hours and it's every day after school, so it keeps me busy all year round, and just overall, just the kids. I just love working with kids. So.
Our adult staff who work for us and our college staff are so appreciative of our high school kiddos, and really truly with the workforce the way it is, we wouldn't be able to offer programming without our high school students. So we're very thankful that we have a great system in place to hire. We have high school students who have access to our applications right here at the high school, and they fill those out, and our principal kind of goes through those and vets them with us, and we do the interview process and place them in a site. Without our high school students on staff, we really wouldn't be able to be as robust as we are in our programming offerings. So we're very thankful to have them willing to put forth the effort to bring extra programming and experiential learning opportunities for our students, but also that we have Beyond School Bells and 21st Century funding to provide the money needed to make those opportunities happen as well. And we're very thankful for now this new opportunity that we have with our videography team here at the high school and putting everyone in place to come up with the video that we're using today to promote Kids Club and tell our story.
And I like Miss Selena because she's pretty nice and she always looks beautiful.